what if you could analyze Jotform survey data within ChatGPT? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you would like to analyze data within ChatGPT, you can absolutely do that. So as you can see, I'm currently in my ChatGPT workspace. I already have Jotform connected via the app section right over here, and I'm already in a new chat, but if you are already discussing something in a previous chat, you can absolutely add Jotform to that chat. All you need to do is choose the @ symbol, and you have all of your apps here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Jotform right here. So first I'm going to ask it to list all of my forms, please. List all of my forms. That way we can tell it which form submission data we want to look at. All right. I want to look at, we can see 28 more. I know I want to look at my hotel feedback form. So let's do, please pull the submissions from my hotel feedback form. All right, pulling the submissions, perfect. All right, and we can see that we have an overview here. We can even expand it to take a look at everything here. Now, of course, you can tell that all of these submissions are mine. This is a form that I used during one of our Jotform 101 webinars, but there's a lot of data in here that we can pull from to summarize or to learn more about the trends. So let's go ahead and do just that. Let's do analyze and summarize trends. And I did 10s. So let's see if it picks up on, yeah, perfect. Patterns and summary now. Perfect. Trends for now. So it doesn't matter if you don't spell something correctly. It will automatically pick up what you're putting down. All right, here are the main trends. Overwhelmingly happy, 5 out of 5. Perfect. 19 out of 21 came from referrals, travel agencies. Perfect. A really nice summarization. So let's do, what are the common feedback themes? Again, another typo. It's gonna figure it out though. All right, pulling the feedback themes directly from the hotel feedback form. All right. High satisfaction, excellent, very good, strong word of mouth reputation. Perfect, so we're getting some really good summaries. So let's say from the submissions, where can we improve? So this is a little bit different. So if I come over to our Jotform side of things, we can easily click on these 3 dots and do summarize with a chart, and we can easily make it a donut or a pie to make it more visually appealing. But whenever we're looking at something like this, it's kind of hard for us to see or visualize where our opportunities might lie. So something like this could really help you identify your strengths and your weaknesses, which is really, really great. All right, so it says, the clearest improvement is not service complaints, but growth and process gaps. Biggest opportunity is marketing diversification. So it has nothing to do with what people are telling me. This is telling me that my marketing could be better, which is pretty amazing. So it says that social and other digital channels appear underused, which is pretty awesome. So you can see maybe the form itself needs refinement, giving you some really, really good feedback and some practical takeaways. So as you can see, it is showing me gaps that I would not have even thought about. So definitely consider utilizing something like ChatGPT to analyze your form responses and your forms in general to see how you can make them better. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use ChatGPT and Jotform to analyze your data, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.